Everybody, today I'm going to be playing some Isonzo, and I'm playing as the German faction today. And there's only one map so far that has the Germans in it, and that map is where you play offensive as the Germans. So yeah, obviously I'm playing offensive today because that's the only option for the Germans right now. Anyway, I'm starting off as the sniper. I've already explained in the last two videos that I always like to pick sniper to start off. And with the Germans, their sniper rifle is a bit different. A lot of their weapons are a bit different actually. But for the sniper rifle, you are still able to switch between iron sights and scope, but the scope isn't to the side, it's right on top of the rifle, so the iron sights are like really bad. But yeah, it's a small difference, but it's kind of cool to have a different looking weapon. And then also Germans are the only faction in the game to have a gun with a magazine, which I will use later on in the game. It's very cool. And let's see if we can scope out some Italians to snipe. Bad shot. Bad shot again. Bad shot again because I couldn't hold my breath to aim in. But still, that doesn't explain why I missed so many. That was kind of a bad start to the game. Anyway, there we go. Finally gonna kill him. And also, Germans are the only faction in the game to have a gun that doesn't, what am I trying to say? That doesn't have anything on it. Like, the marksman, the German marksman, and the German engineer both have access to a gun that doesn't have a bayonet, doesn't use grenades, like rifle grenades, doesn't have a scope or anything. So Germans are the only one with a playing gun, and also the only one with a magazine gun. And also another difference with this gun, the sniper, is since the scope is right on top, you can't put in the clips, the 5-round clips. So even when your gun is empty, you have to load individually like this by putting one ammo in. So yeah, we're gonna start as the sniper, then we're gonna switch to the assault class, and also we're gonna try and use that magazine gun later on. So yeah, let's just charge in here and find a good spot to start sniping on. Can't really see anyone from here, so let's try and reposition ourselves, find a good spot. Oh, right here is good, right here. I'm gonna get so many kills sitting right here. Okay, that was just embarrassing. That was just sad. I said that and I immediately like missed some easy shots. So I probably shouldn't have said that I was gonna easily get kills. And there's like no one over here. So in that case, I should just switch to iron sights and run in. And I also have my revolver here. Oh crap. There's a guy in there somewhere. Headshot. I also have my revolver, which the revolver is also different as well, but I'll explain that in a second after I'm safely out of this area. I'm gonna plant this bomb and then I'm gonna back away a bit. Okay, as I was saying, the revolver, it's a bit different because it's the only single action revolver in the game. It does hold 6 shots like the Italian revolver, but unlike the other 2 revolvers, you have to prime the hammer after every shot, which makes it a bit worse, but also at the same time, you fire faster, so it's kind of like, or you don't fire faster, you deal a lot more damage. Like the revolver can kill in one shot almost all the time, So it's like a trade-off, basically. Anyway, I'm hoping my teammates will have the brain power to go to the bomb first, because that's always what you're supposed to do. If you go to the bomb first, then, you know, it's good, basically. To sum it up very quickly, it's good. So let's run in here. We got our revolver and our sniper. Oh, there's a guy right there. Oh, see, it's so much slower. It's so much slower that to the point where, like, I don't know if it's worth the trade-off of doing more damage. I think if I had the choice, I would select the other faction's revolver. I would select the Austro-Hungary revolver. That's probably the best because it holds 8, and it's like semi-automatic, fires really fast. So let me get over there. Let me get over to this bomb site. I wish there was a way to tell my teammates to go to the bomb site, because it's the smarter thing to do. Like, they're over there capturing capture point A, but it just doesn't help at all. It does, but not really. Maybe this will still work out, I don't know. I'm just really hoping we don't lose off the bat, because that would be very annoying. Oh my god! This guy with the Bodeo! So annoying. Okay, objective A neutralized. Don't really care. Like, cool, but no one cares. It's not what we need to be doing right now. If our team is good enough to get objective A pretty easily, then we would have won already, or we would have got to the next sector already if we just focused on the bomb. Always focus on the bomb. I can't even say it enough how important it is. It's like, oh my god, there's a guy up there. Golden chimp. Anyway, this guy is smart. So me and him are just gonna have to go in alone, really. And objective A is captured, but now it has the chance of being recaptured. If we leave it to go over to the bomb site. Okay, this is good. Oh, dodge and weave, dodge and weave, dodge and weave, dodge and weave, dodge and weave. Quick, 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 quick. Oh my god! The guy with the LMG! No, it's being defused! Oh no. Don't let it get defused. Everyone, focus our attention. Focus our attention on objective B, please. We still have 180 reserves, so we should be chilling. Yo, this is what I was talking about. I think this guy has a gun that doesn't have a bayonet or anything on it. Like, he's got the basic thing. That just isn't special at all. Throw a grenade, says Phantom Cheese Dog. Let me plant this. Oh, someone else is already planting it, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, he is. Okay, I'll cover you, man. I'll cover you. I died for him. I died so he could plant the bomb. And now, look, they're getting capture point A back. It's, like, just annoys me so much. Pisses me off how people just don't really think that much when they're playing this game. Oh, please don't get defused. Please don't get defused. Please. We have, like, no one over here. So I feel like it's gonna get defused. What I could do is just find a place like that and then just shoot every time. Like snipe the person that's defusing it every time. That would work. Come on, guys. Only half of the attacking force remain. Everyone, focus on the bomb. Like, jeez. These players in this game are not very intelligent. Like, not intelligent at all, really. Come on. Why are people still at objective A? Use your brain, guys. People are lacking brain power in this dumb game. For the love of God, just please go to A. Please. I wish I could be an officer right now so I could send everyone to A. Just keep using the whistle to tell everyone to go to A. But I bet you they probably still wouldn't listen. Because when you don't have a brain, you're not smart at all. That's how it works. Okay, I think we're planting the bomb. Maybe. I don't know. No, we're not. We're not planting the bomb. I swear, I don't want to have to load into another lobby just because my teammates are stupid. This is one of the problems with this game. Just some people are absolute buffoons. And it makes me so annoyed. Why is that flashing? Is someone planting a bomb or no? Doesn't flashing mean it's planting a bomb? Maybe not. Okay, someone already got that guy.
I'm becoming mentally unstable right now.
Like, oh my god. Oh my god. It is not rocket science. I swear to God, bro. My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm getting so mad right now. Because I just want to be able to record this German video in peace. But no, I get placed with absolute goobers that don't want to think. Like, they're like, what? I have to think? I don't want to have to do that. You know, like, it's just so annoying. Like, good for you guys. You captured A for the second time. If we just all went to the bomb site, we would be splendastical. And now I'm getting killed by random bots. And I hate bots because they don't even sit at the objective point that they're supposed to be defending. They just run into the attacking lines and just kill you. Like, I just respawn and I don't expect to die, and then some random bot is just like walking in a random direction and he sees me and then aimbots me. It's just so goofy. Alright, brand new plan. Me sit here, one of you guys go in there to plant the bomb. Actually, this isn't even gonna work. Okay, this is gonna work though. Destroy this. so they can't use it. You plant the bomb. Please. Okay, objective B is armed. You run away, and we defend the bomb. And now it's being... Oh my god! Oh my god! I swear! Why are people still at objective A? I do not understand. Someone needs to research the absolute specimens, the absolute creatures that are at objective A right now. Like, guys, just go to objective B and do the bomb, and then do objective A later. It's not that hard. And what does take their trench even mean? Doctor Who 365 is just saying things for the sake of saying things. I don't even know what take their trench even means. There's no trenches right now. We're trying to set off bombs, man. And I'm the worst aimer because I'm annoyed. And I'm just... Oh my god. Oh my god. Someone needs to put the 3 people at objective A. Someone needs to put them in a mental hospital institution for learning how to use basic brain functioning stuff like that, you know? You know what I'm saying? Like, I get so annoyed that I can't aim. Like, how did I just lose that fight? How did I just lose that fight? How did I just lose that fight? I have no clue how I just lost that. The only reason I'm getting this mad is because I now have to wait 8 years to get into the Caporetto German map again. And then watch me get into the map, and then I don't even get to use the sniper. And now I'm gonna die of mustard gas. Watch this, I'm going to die of mustard gas. Oh wait, phew. Okay, I survived. And I bet you these absolute buffoons, these absolute brainless creatures will play this match, and then they'll go, oh, guess I'm just unlucky. And then they'll load into another match and be surprised when they do the exact same thing and they lose again. What? How did it? What? I lost again? What? How? Like, I'm just so mad at these annoying creatures. And we're not gonna get overtime, are we? We're not getting overtime. We're probably not getting overtime. Okay, we are getting overtime. Cool. Okay, I stopped him for a minute. They're gonna start fusing again. Please, someone, for the love of God, no one's there. No one's gonna be able to defuse that. I hate this game. Actually, I love this game. I hate my teammates. My teammates can go fight in World War I and die in the trenches because I absolutely hate them. Anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully the next video will be me actually playing as the Germans and having functioning teammates. Goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.